Welcome to this video presentation here at 7daysonly.co.uk, and here we have the Ford Transit Connect on a 75 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the van, and then we'll hop in and we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see that it's got alloy wheels. We have a sliding door on both sides, so I'll show you that operating once we get round to the other side of the vehicle. We're going to start off with that rear cargo area first of all. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors. You can also see that it's all been ply-lined. With it essentially being a brand new vehicle, it is completely untouched, in fantastic condition, as you'd expect, with a full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, so as we work our way back around to the front of the van, you can see I've opened that sliding side door. It's worth noting that all of those rear doors have got a separate additional key lock on them for added security. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that, as you'd expect, it is in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials first. It's that new, it still has its plastic covering on the dials, as you can see. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side, speedometer on the right-hand side. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in the centre, and the trip computer. You can change this information using buttons on the steering wheel. So you've got your sat nav info, for example, and you can customize the stuff displayed on the left hand side and on the right hand side as well. And that's all done with these buttons just here. We have our stereo controls, which continue on the left hand side along with cruise control. This van has also got adaptive cruise control. So if you hit this button just here, it's able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the vehicle in front's speed. Into the centre, we have the main touchscreen. We're on the home screen at the moment, where you can, for example, access your satellite navigation. We can go into Ford Assist. We can adjust our climate control fan speed, which is just turned itself up via the auto option within that section. We have our radio and media, both available in here. This vehicle's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've also got the ability to stream our music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, save our own music to the vehicle, and access FM and DAB radio. So loads of ways to listen to your music. As I say, your volume is adjusted via the touch panel just here, as is the passenger, you can see it just there, and driver temperature. And you can hit the climate control menu to open up the full display where you can adjust fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in. You can turn your air conditioning off and on from here as well. On top of all of that, if we pop the vehicle into reverse, we have parking sensors with a visual guide and a reversing camera as well. Below that, we've got the ability to adjust certain things on the main menu. So that button will open up the aircon menu, which I showed you just a moment ago. Our parking menu is available on this button just here, and then we have our heated front and rear screens. A 12-volt charging socket, 2 USB-C inputs. You can store your phone inside this section just here to keep it out of the way. This is the button that starts and stops the ignition. You just need to make sure the key is in here with you. And the gear stick, if you like, for the fully automatic gearbox. So we have reverse, neutral, drive, and then park is on this button just here. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function and 2 cup holders. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.